Heartfelt greetings, everyone. I am Fatma Zahra from grade 11A of the Royal Academy, Ajman. And it is my privilege to present to you an overview of this week's remarkable initiatives conducted in view of the forthcoming UAE National Day. We commenced the week with a diabetes awareness program for KG and primary learners. The session aimed to instill foundational awareness about healthy living and the importance of preventative care for an early age. Continuing our commitment to the students' well-being, the primary section engaged in a deeply impactful anti-bullying awareness session, which emphasized empathy, responsible behavior, and the significance of fostering a safe and nurturing atmosphere for every learner. The week also featured the official and meticulous NPE audit led by Mr. Paul across the school to ensure high standards of educational excellence. Students from all grades took part in a lively and community-driven UAE National Day Walkathon, symbolizing togetherness, well-being, and the collective strength of our school community. Our UAE National Day celebrations reached a patriotic crescendo with the culturally rich and inspiring National Day program in our His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Zayed Al Nuaimi Hall. An impactful anti-drug program was conducted by the Inclusion Department for grade 10 to 12 students, where Muhammad Ibrahim Al-Raisi empowered students with essential knowledge and fostered a strong commitment to make healthy, responsible life choices. We look forward to another inspiring and empowering week ahead. Thank you and enjoy your weekend with your family and friends.